Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be doing the one make the dressed like a dress. I guess a DIY. So this is my first my DIY. I already made mine and Eileen is still doing hers. So I'm still working of this because of her. So by the way, my DIY t-shirt inspired by Demetra on their vlog in the boat. I think it's in the boat. It was pink. It was pink. And yeah. So since I'm done with my DIY, I'm going to undo my favorite t-shirt. First one is this. A cutie booty cutie. Isn't it so cute? Look at that. This. Oh my coconut again. Next one is this strawberry. So cute too. And next is this. It's a pretty French girl. Lastly is this. It's also inspired by Demetra. The half ones. I'm working late because I'm a singer. Looks so cute on my finger. So finally, it's done. No. What? She's not done yet pala. This is so finally, this is Ellen. This is Ludilin's DIY t-shirt. So sexy. Oh my god, I like it. Finally. Ta-da! This is our finish. Bye. Thank you for watching.